Dear student, today's topic is also factorization but from NCERT book. Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Two terms are 12x and 36. Find the common factor. So common factor equal to only 12 because numerical coefficient is 12 and here numerical coefficient is 36. Numerical number is 36. So common factor, that is HCF of 12 and 36 is 12 common factor, and there is no variable term which is common. Only x is there, but it is in the first term. There is no variable term in the second term. So there is no variable term which is common. So only the common factor is 12. HCF of the 12 and 36. Question number Roman 2. Two terms are 2y and 22xy. Here numerical coefficient is 2 and numerical coefficient of the second term is 22. So HCF of 2 and 22 is 2, and variable term y and y which is common. So common factor is 2 into y. Next question number Roman 3. Two terms are 14p and 28p square q square. So common factor equal to HCF of 14 and 28 is 14, and p also the common variable in both the term and q also the common variable, but minimum power of p is here is 1, here is 2, so minimum power of p is 1, so p is the common factor, and minimum power of q also 1, so q is also the common factor. So common factors of these two terms is 14pq. Roman 4. 2x, 3x square and 4. So common factor equal to 1 because HCF of 2, 3 and 4 is 1, and there is no variable term which is common. That is why only 1 is the common factor. Next question number Roman 5. 6abc, 24ab square and 12b square c. So common factor equal to HCF of 6, 24 and 12 is 6, and only the variable b is common, b square and b square, but there is a, but there is no a is there variable term, a is not there, that is why a is not the common. Similarly c is not also the common factor because there is c, there is no c variable, that is why only 6b is the common factor because b is common in all the terms and minimum power of b is 1, so 6b is the common factor. Next Roman 6. 16x cube minus 4x square 32x. So HCF of 16, 4 and 32 is 4, and x is also the common variable, but minimum power of x is 1, so 4x is the common factor. Similarly 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. Only x square is the common factor. Next question number 2. Factorize 7x minus 42. So common factor of these two terms 7x and 42 is 7. So 7 is the common factor. So 7 into x minus 6. When you divide 7x by 7, it is percentage x, and minus 42 by 7 equal to 6. So 7 into x minus 6. Roman 2. 6p minus 12q. So 6 is the common factor. So when you divide this 6p by 6, percentage p, and 12q divided by 6 minus 2q. So 6 into p minus 2q. Question number Roman 3. 7a square plus 14a. So 7a is the common factor. So divide this first term and second term by 7a. Then the quotient is a plus 2. So 7a into a plus 2. Next question number 4. Minus 16z plus 20z cube. So 4z is the common factor. So when minus 16z divided by 4z, it is minus 4, plus 20z to the power 3. 20 divided by 4, 5. 20 divided by 4, it is equal to 5. And z to the power 3 divided by z square. So minus 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square. Next 20 L square M plus 30 ALM. So 10 is the HCF of 20 and 30. So 10 L square and L square. Minimum power of L is 1, that is L. M and M. M is a common factor. So 10 LM is the common factor into, divide this term by 10 LMN. So 2L plus 30 ALM divided by 10 LM equal to 3A. So 10 LM into 2L plus 3A. Next, Roman 6, 5x square y minus 15xy square. So here 5xy is the common factor because 5 is the HCF of 5 and 15 and x square, and there is also x. So both the variable are common, x and y are common variable, but minimum power of x is 1 and minimum power of y is 1. So 5xy is the common factor. So 5xy into x minus 3y. Factorization completed. Next, question number 8. Minus 4 square plus 4ab minus 4ca. So 4a is the common factor. So 4a into minus a plus b minus c. Because HCF of 4, 4 and 4 is 4. 4 is the common factor. And a square, there is a, there is a. So minimum power of a is 1. So 4a into minus a plus b minus c. Next, question number 7. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. So variable term is the not common. A square, b square is c square, all are different, but 10, 15 and 20, HCF is 5. So 5 is the only common factor among these three terms. So 5 into, divide this 10 by 5, 2 a square minus 15 divided by 5, 3 b square plus 20 divided by 5, 4 c square. Factorization completed. Next, x square yz plus x y square z plus x y z square. Here x y z is the common factor, then x y z into x plus y plus z. Next, ax square y, it is question number Roman 10. Ax square y plus bxy square plus cxz y. So here only x, y are the common variable in these three terms. So minimum power of x is 1 and minimum power of y also 1. So x or y is the common factor. So when you divide this first term by xy, then it is ax. Second term bxy square divided by xy, then it is by. And third term divided by xy, only cz is the coefficient. So xy into ax plus by plus cz. Next, question number 3 Roman 1. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So from the first two term, x is the common factor. So x into x plus y. From the third and fourth term, 8 is the common factor. So 8 into x plus y. So one of the factor is x plus y. Here x plus y. Another factor is x plus 8. Roman 2. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. From the first two terms, 3x is the common factor. So 3x into 5y minus 2. And from the third and fourth term, there is no common factor. So only 1 is the common factor. So 1 into 5y minus 2. So one of the factor is 5y minus 2. And another factor is 3x plus 1. Question number Roman 3. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. From the first two term, x is the, first we arrange this. So ax minus ay plus bx minus by. Now a into x minus y plus b into x minus y. So x minus y. So x minus y is the common one of the factor. Another factor is a plus b. Next, question number 4. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. So 15pq plus 9q plus 25p plus 15. Now from these two terms, 3q is the common factor. So 3q into 5p plus 3. Divide this 15pq by 3q. It is 5p. divide this 9q by 3q, only 3. Then 25p plus 15. So 5 is the common factor from these two terms. So 5 into 5p plus 3. So one of the factor is 5p plus 3. Another factor is 3q plus 5. Now Roman 5. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So x minus 7. Now from these two terms, xyz is the common factor. Sorry, xyz plus 7xy, these two terms. First we write minus xyz, then plus 7xy. Now z minus 7 is there. Now from these two terms, minus xy is the common factor. So after taking minus xy is the common, then inside the bracket z minus 7. So one of the factor is z minus 7 here, and another factor is 1 minus xy. Thank you.